Great day guys, na-miss ko kayo It's me again, Arkie, and welcome to Graphic Art Studio. For today's video guys, tatalakayin natin ang one of the most important features ng Photoshop, which is ang layer panel. But before we begin, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell button for more video like this. Okay, so what is the layer in Photoshop? Well, this is my explanation. Layers are one of the most important features in Photoshop. Basically, layers in Photoshop let you combine the different things, whether image, shape, text, or other object that overlap. Mga dapat mong malaman sa layer panel at paano ba ito nagwo-work. Well, this is an example, a design with layer. Let me demonstrate to you. Actually, there's a many type of layer in Photoshop, but binubuo lang siya ng dalawang category, which is ang content layer and adjustment layer. Content layers are pretty self-explanatory. They contain some object like text, image, whether it's shapes or object that overlap guys. But in the end, you can combine all the image or object and get the best result based on your design that you want to achieve. Adjustment layer are little difference. Instead, contain niya yung isang object or image para magkaroon ng effect on the layer below. Like for example, you will use hue saturation or color balance. And you can explore in adjustment layer, which is it will help you to emphasize the color to become more realistic of what design you want to achieve, which is located nga siya dito sa baba ng layer panel. To really understand what I'm saying is I will give you one example how adjustment layer work. Let's say we can use hue saturation on this layer. Another tip from this tutorial, how to duplicate the layer and delete the layer. In this example guys, we have the Goku layer, and what we need to do is we will duplicate the layer. So paano natin gagawin yun? Okay, so we will select one of Son Goku picture, which is layer Goku 3. Okay, so how to duplicate? Just right click and select duplicate layer. Okay, and you can rename as you like. And then after that, there's another way, which is Control J for shortcut. And if you want to delete the layer, you can drag to this delete button dito sa baba. And that's all guys. Link and unlink that you want to select. Okay guys, so this example naman is for the link and unlink. So how to do that guys? Okay, so for example, we have this Goku. Yun nga, meron akong layer 1, 2, 3. And gusto ko lang naman ang gawin is i-link tong dalawa, which is yung 3 and 1. So paano ko gagawin yun guys? So I will select the layer 3 and then layer 1. Okay, then right click and then I will choose link. Okay, so if I will move this one, so siya lang yung gagalaw, yung 1 and 3. Okay, so paano ko naman siya i-unlink? For example, gusto kong i-unlink si layer 1, which is i-click ko lang tong layer 1 Goku 1 and right click again and then choose unlink. Okay, so these 3 layer I can select all, and then I can link this 3 image na to. Okay, so ganun lang. How to hiding the layer and lock the layer. Guys, so this is hiding and lock the layer. Okay, so paano ko gagawin yon? It's very simple. Punta ka lang dito sa, for example, this Goku layer 3, and I want to hide this one. Okay, so just click this one, the eye symbol, Okay, so para mawala siya. And then after that, for example, I want to lock this layer 1 para hindi ko siya magalaw. So punta lang ako dito sa padlock symbol na to from the layer panel and then click this one. Yon, so mag-a-appear yung another padlock in this right dito sa kanan, and yun nga, hindi ko na siya magagalaw. Okay, so totally lock na siya. And that's all guys for hiding and lock layer. Group the layer and ungroup the layer. Okay guys, so ang gagawin ko naman is which is ito yung pinaka-importante rin dito sa Photoshop, is marunong kang mag-group and ungroup. Okay, for example, our example nga si Goku, and meron tayong 1, 2, 3 nga, and I want to group this 3 image. So paano ko gagawin yon? So select ko all 1 and 2, 3 Goku, and pwede akong mag right click group layer. Okay, you can rename as you like. Okay, so another thing, so select ko siya uli and control G for shortcut niya. Okay, so paano ko naman siya i-ungroup? Okay, just select the group, yung ginroup nga natin, and again right click and select the ungroup. Okay, so para ma-ungroup mo siya. Okay, so ganun lang guys. Okay guys, so before we go to the last tip for this tutorial, I would like to thank for watching graphic art. And if you like this content, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell button for more video like this. So hopefully marami kayong natututunan dito sa graphic art. And abangan nyo yung mga darating nating video sa susunod na kabanata ng graphic art video tutorial. Okay, so last tip natin is merge layer, merge visible, and flatten the image, which is important na matutunan mo dito nga sa Photoshop. So merge layer. Okay, so for example, this Goku 1, 2, 3, and select ko siya lahat. So ang gagawin ko is right click and then I can merge. Okay, so merge layer is combining. So kinumbine ko tong tatlong layer na to para maging isa siya. Okay guys, so merge visible, he can combine the composite layer. Okay, so if you want to select this all Goku 1, 2, 3 and right click and then merge visible. And the most important here in Photoshop is you know how to flatten the image, which is the most important. And for example, if you are satisfied in your design and you want to flatten the image and you save by JPEG or any format that you want, okay, so just you can flatten the image. Of course, you can save the PSD file first, and you can right click and then select this flatten image. Okay, so by that pina-flatten niya yung mga layer, and this is how example na final mo yung image mo. Okay, so that's all for video tutorial today, and if you have any question or suggestion, please leave the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para sa mga susunod na video na i-upload natin. And see you in my next video. Keep safe and bye-bye.